來是有關到中東的戰爭，美國的總統川普來宣布，在巴基斯坦的催求之下，伊同意暫停轟炸伊朗2禮拜。伊朗隨後嘛發表着聲明，講伊朗若無閣遭受到攻擊，就會開放荷姆茲海峽安全通行2禮拜。
Quoting from the president, subject to the Islamic Republic of Iran agreeing to the complete, immediate, and safe opening of the Strait of Hormuz, I agreed to suspend the bombing and attack of Iran for a period of 2 weeks. This will be a double-sided ceasefire. He added, quote, the reason for doing so is that we have already met and exceeded all military objectives.
美國總統川普在威脅要毀掉伊朗的上尾期限前宣布，在巴基斯坦總理和陸軍元帥悄悄同意暫停攻擊伊朗2禮拜。川普講，受到伊朗提出的10點要求，伊同意這談判。伊朗外交部長阿拉吉嘛發布聲明回應。
I hereby declare on behalf of Iran's Supreme National Security Council, if attacks against Iran are halted, our powerful armed forces will cease their defensive operations. He continued, for a period of 2 weeks, safe passage through the Strait of Hormuz will be possible via coordination with Iran's armed forces and with due consideration of technical limitations.
伊朗最高國家安全委員會講，伊朗得到勝利，和美國接受10點的要求。根據伊朗媒體每年通訊社，美國答應美國再有侵犯行為。伊朗繼續控制荷姆茲海峽，接受伊朗濃縮鈾活動，解除所有一級制裁，解除所有二級制裁，停止所有聯合國安理會決議，停止所有國際原子能總署理事會決議，付賠償金予伊朗美軍部隊退出中東地區，停止所有正常戰爭，包括針對黎巴嫩真主黨。
The Strait of Hormuz is open in coordination with their armed forces. If that is true, Anderson, that is not a return to status quo antebellum, how it should be with free passage of the strait, and that's a hugely problematic outcome if that's what we just agreed to.
That's a huge victory for Iran, because Iran was not in control officially of the strait before this.
伊朗最高國家安全委員會嘛宣布，美國、伊朗兩邊會在10號在巴基斯坦首都伊斯蘭馬巴德開始談判，講好協議的內容細節，會談可能會當10個工，敢會延長這個變化。
Hello， 我是張新文，想要搶先掌握最及時的新聞資訊嗎？趕快訂閱、按讚、開啟小鈴鐺，鎖定華視新聞 YouTube 頻道。